by Abraham Lincoln. 407 years ago, our forefathers brought forth on this continent a new nation,
Conceived in liberty.
and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
Ano?
Now, we're engaged in a
Great Civil War.
testing whether that nation, or any nation, will proceed in solidity, can long endure.
We are met.
We are met in a great battlefield of that war. We have come to dedicate a portion of that field as a final resting place for those who here gave their lives that nation might live. It is altogether fitting and proper that we should do this. But in a larger sense, we cannot dedicate, we cannot consecrate, we cannot hallow this ground.
The brave man,
Living and dead, struggled here, and consecrated here, far above our poor power, to add or to detract. The world will little know what, nor long remember what they hear, but can never forget what they did hear. But to us, not living, rather to be dedicated here, to that finish of the work, which they who come here have done far so nobly advanced. It's rather for us to be here, dedicated
to the great
the great task
remaining before us. From these honored dead,
we take increased devotion to that cause. They gave the last full message
Of devotion. Begin.
we are
highly resolved that this death shall not have died in vain. That this nation under God shall have a new birth of freedom,
Yan.
and the government of the people, by the people,
Yan.
for the people,
Sige.
perish from here.